This is my secret diary explaining the reason why anyone should take civil engineering as a career in the present scenario. Civil engineering is the oldest and one of the core branch of engineering. It served a key role in the past, serving the society in the past, and is serving today. Also, the future of any nation is anchored primarily in the infrastructure development. It not only gives an ample job opportunity in government sector but also provides a lot of options in higher education and private job opportunities in India and abroad. In India, we have witnessed a heavy investment in infrastructure development in the last few years, and as a result it provided a plethora of entrepreneur opportunities for a hardworking and skilled individual. Some of the key projects and investments are the decision of Government of India to allocate a sum of rupees 6 lakh crores to boost the infrastructure sector, particularly by the year 2025. Further, by the year 2022, a sum of 50 lakh crores will be required for the infrastructure development only. As a result of increased demand in the construction sector, by the year 2025, the cement industry will be most likely reach 550 to 600 million tons per annum industry. That will be a great boost in the sector and possible to generate a lot of demand for skilled manpower. By the year 2030, with the rise of globalization and increase in population, India will be required to have at least 100 new airports in the nation, which will require almost 30,000 crores of rupees investment by the government. Not only this big bang projects which excites me, there are ongoing smart city projects worth 2 lakh crores and more than 50 million new houses are likely to build in the near future. Recently in 2020, the government has announced a 102 lakh crore investment in the future infrastructure projects for the next 5 years, which will necessarily be a boost for the need of new entrepreneurs and skilled manpower to take up the projects. And it not over yet. The Bharatmala road project, which worth around 80,000 crores to develop roads in eastern and western routes, are already pipelined a sum of 7,800 crores to its credit. 6 new ports and 106 waterways are going to connect the country with the project Sagarmala. It will create not less than 6 million jobs and investment of around 80,000 crores. And how can I ignore the job and entrepreneur opportunities in the high-speed rail corridor projects for Ahmedabad-Mumbai, which has been estimated around 80,000 crores investment. Also, the concept of metros between the cities, Ahmedabad and Surat, worth around 22,000 crores. Nobody can stop me from choosing a career of civil engineering, because I own my life and don't try to fool me. I want to be a part of the nation building. But yes, the institute where from I study will make a difference. What are you waiting for? Come and see how a best civil engineering department is like. I don't take a chance, because this country needs me, the world needs me. I know during the 2020 pandemic situation, my future is Atmanirbhar Bharat. The nation needs to stand up again, built up more. It will not just brighten my future but also future of world. Want to know more? Visit our website.